right, so this last question, this one is for all the men. I know all the men want to know this one.
Okay.
All right. Why is it that when a man asks a woman what's wrong, she says nothing, when there's clearly something wrong?
Because she tired of talking. She has told you many times what was wrong, but you ignored it and nothing changed. And now she is at the point where she is like, okay, I ain't got nothing else to say about nothing. Now she is slowly starting to check out of the relationship.
Okay.
Okay? This is not a good sign.
Yeah.
Okay? This is not a good sign. So, because that means she's sick and tired of being sick and tired of nothing changing in the relationship, because she now sees, oh, he don't really care nothing about what I think, feel. He doesn't really care about my opinions in this situation. I see. Okay? So now he think that he got me on lock, and there, listen. When she say nothing, it's trouble a brewing, sir.
Yeah, not a good one.
Not a good situation. That means over and over and over again, you have ignored her feelings. You have ignored her opinions. You have not listened to her, and you have not changed a doggone thing because you felt, oh, I've got on lock. Oh, I've married her. Oh, I've got this locked down. No, they realize after a while. They grow up, baby.
Yeah.
Even all y'all that old and get a young one, they grow up. And they realize this ain't it.
So guys, clearly, if she's saying nothing, it's something.
It's something.
So
oh yeah, it's been something. But y'all ain't paid attention to it. That's the problem. Yeah.
So pay attention to the nothing.
Pay attention to it. No, y'all should have been listening from the beginning. Because once it turns into nothing, moral of the story is pay attention while she's talking.
Yeah.
Because when she stopped talking, it's about to be over.
I was gonna say pay attention to the nothing, but she's right. Pay attention before that. Cause it's not a good situation.
Not a good situation. Been there, done that, and many of the women that I have talked to.
Yes.
That's why over 70% of the marriages end up in divorces from women. Nah.
That's true.
Okay? And it's really a simple fix. It's really a simple fix. But men don't want to fix it. Y'all get real lazy in the relationship after you feel like you got her. And you feel like, oh, I married her. And now I ain't got to do nothing. That's the gag. Because she gonna realize after a minute, like, nah, bruh.
True.
Nah, bruh. And then mess around and get a divorce.
Oof. I guess I got my answer.
Yeah.
And I think it's a good place to leave it, guys. If there was something that you heard that you like, dislike, whatever it is, drop it in the comments box below. We want to hear from you.
Yes, indeed. Look, check this out. If you have any questions for us,
Bring them on.
or any questions of men, women, relationships, situations in life, please DM us on Instagram. Send us a message. I think they got a new thing on TikTok now where you can send direct messages on TikTok now.
Yes.
Oh, send messages on YouTube, honey.
Yes.
And we will be glad to put it in the video and
Absolutely.
answer all of the questions for you, honey.
Absolutely.
Same thing. Ask Shauni and Mondi across the platform.
That's right. And guys, don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to hit that notification bell.
Bing, 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 bing. Until next time, guys.
Peace.
Peace.